My name is Sasha. I'm a skipper and sailing instructor from Croatia. HIR-3, or Caprice in English, is my boat. I met her when I was 14, when I first started sailing. I have to admit that it was a love at first sight. But we went separate ways until more than 20 years later I ran into her again. She was in desperate condition and one could tell that she has been neglected for years. Somehow I knew I couldn't let her go this time. Everybody who knows something about boats, they all told me that I was crazy even to think about buying her. But I realized I was in love, and sometimes that's all you need. My goal is to restore her, but my dream is to take her around the world again. She proved she can do it, now it's up to us to prove that we can do it too. Share my dream and let's give her the love she deserves.